Alright, y'all. Having used my own phone. Old phone. So, let's see if I can set y'all up. Alright, look. It goes way up there. There's like 30 feet of top up past this. And then, you know, the situation, typical poplar right over the house situation. So, set y'all up here. Got the rope in it. Pretty sure I got enough lean on it. See how it goes. I better cut this on so I don't need to hit my track hoe. Alright, from there and there, that's what we couldn't do, guys, was hit the track hoe down there. Another successful mission. Have a blessed day.